Hello friends, we have given an integration problem, indefinite integration problem, which has been asked in IIT 2002. So we are going to discuss the solution of this integration problem. So we are going to integrate this. So we are going to do the substitution method to solving this problem. So first of all, take the integrand. We have integrand is x raised to power 3m plus x 2m plus x raised to power m, and this is 2x raised to power 2m plus 3x raised to power m plus 6 1 upon m. So we can take in this, we can take x raised to power, we can take here x is the common, so this becomes x 3m minus 1, this is x 2m minus 1, and this is x raised to power m minus 1, and this is 2x 2m plus 3xm plus 6 raised to power 1 upon m. So again we are going to multiply this x into this radical, So what we do, x raised to power 3m minus 1 plus x raised to power 2m minus 1 plus xm minus 1. So this x can be written as xm raised to power 1 upon m, and this is 2x 2m plus 3x raised to power m plus 6 raised to power 1 upon m. So we can multiply by, so we can write this as x raised to power 3m minus 1 plus x raised to power 2m minus 1 plus x raised to power m minus 1, and this x raised to power m can be taken in the radical sign. So this is 1 upon m, and this is x raised to power m 2x 2m into x raised to power m plus 3x raised to power m into x raised to power m plus 6x raised to power m. Again, this can be written as x raised to power 3m minus 1 plus x raised to power 2m minus 1 plus x raised to power m minus 1, and this can be written as 2x raised to power 3m plus this can be written as 3x raised to power 2m, and this is 6x raised to power m plus 1 upon m. Again, we are looking here that this is the differentiation of x raised to power 3m is x raised to power goes to changes as the power of x raised to power 3m minus 1. X raised to power 2m differentiation goes to changes as x raised to power 2m minus 1, and x raised to power m differentiation goes to be like x raised to power m minus 1. So we are going to take this term as u. So substitute u equals to 2x raised to power 3m plus 3x raised to power 2m plus 6 raised to power m. So du upon dx equals to, differentiating with respect to u, this becomes 2 is the constant, 3m x raised to power 3m minus 1, and this is 3 into 2m, and this is x raised to power 2m minus 1, and again this becomes 6 into m, and this is x raised to power m minus 1. So what are looking here, that we are looking here that this is 6m is the common, this is 6m is the common. So taking 6m is the common, this becomes x raised to power 3m minus 1, this is x raised to power 2m minus 1, and this is x raised to power m minus 1. So du equals to, we can take du upon 6m equals to x raised to power 3m minus 1 plus x raised to power 2m minus 1 plus x raised to power m minus 1 dx. Again, we have shown that this is the we have shown these terms comes in the integration. So our integration problem is x raised to power 3m plus x 2m plus x raised to power m equals to into 2x raised to power 2m plus 3x raised to power m plus 6 raised to power 1 upon m dx. And we have solved this for this as this becomes 2x 3m plus 3x raised to power 2m plus 6x m raised to power 1 upon m, and this has becomes x raised to power 3m minus 1 plus x raised to power 2m minus 1, and plus this is xm minus 1. We have reduced in earlier steps. So what we have substituted? We have substituted for this is u. This is u raised to power 1 upon m, and this is du upon 6. So 6 can be taken outside the integration. 1 upon 6 can be taken out the integration. Why? This is a constant. So this is 1 upon 6 u raised to power 1 upon m du, and integration, this is a simple integration formula. We can use 1 upon m plus 1, and this becomes 1 upon m plus 1. So du upon 6m, sorry, du upon 6m. So take here du upon 6m. This 6m is also constant, so this becomes 1 upon 6m. This is u raised to power 1 upon 1 plus m upon, this is 1 plus m upon m, and this is m goes out cancelled, and this becomes 1 upon u upon 1 plus m upon 1 upon m plus 1 plus m. So putting the value of u, what we have taken, u equals to 1 upon 6 1 upon 1 plus m, and we have u equals to, we have taken u equals to 2x raised to power 3m plus 3x raised to power 2m plus 6x m upon 1 plus m upon m plus c. This is the integration of, so we do not need to write 1 here. So this is the integration of the given problem. So we can write it as, this is the answer, 6 into 1 plus m. This is 2x raised to power 3m plus 3x raised to power 2m plus 6x raised to power m upon 1 plus m upon m plus c is the integration of the given